Hello, I did mixed multiple choice question number 46, and I copied down exactly what was on the card, and it says, is the waiting time in minutes between the eruptions of Old Faithful lengthening? Random samples of waiting times were noted from 2 consecutive years with the summary statistics as follows. The average waiting time of year 1 being 85 minutes, the standard deviation being 8, and the total number of eruptions counted from being 45. And then year 2, the average waiting time was 87.5 minutes, the standard deviation was 8, the number of eruptions was 39, and it asks, is there statistical evidence that Old Faithful is slowing down? Now, this is going to be a test, and for a test, you gotta give an alternate and a null, or a null and an alternate, and so this is mine. I hope they're right. And so before we do that, just want to be clear that this is the average, or the x-bar, this is the standard deviation, this is the number of eruptions, which is the population. This is for the calculator stuff. And the test we're going to do is a 2-sample t-test because it's 2 samples. Wow. And a t-test because it's a mean and not a proportion. So, let's do the test. Test 2-sample t-test. Now, like I said, x1, the mean, the average, 85, standard deviation is 8, the total population is 45, and for x2 it's 87.5, and then the standard deviation is 8, and the mean is 39, and then it's going to be less than. Second pulled, yes, calculate. Okay, and then you get a p value of equals 0.0785, basically. And so let's go through the answer choices we have, see which one matches up. Now, A, no, because the p-value is greater than 0.10, that is wrong, so that's not it. And then B, yes, because 0.05 is less than 0.07, which is right, and then 0.07 is less than 0.10, which is true, so B really sounds true. But C, yes, 0.01 is less than 0.07, but 0.07 is not less than 0.05, so that's wrong. And then D, yes, 0.001 is less than 0.07, but 0.07 is not less than 0.01, so that's wrong. And then E, yes, 0.017 is not less than 0.001, so that's wrong, so B is right. So, there you go. Enjoy. Okay, those are ducks. Those are ducks.